All right, guys. It has arrived. At least, I'm guessing. The box is kind of unmarked. Besides it saying lithium batteries, pretty sure I know what's in here. This should be big brother to the Mini 3, the Mini series. The DJI Air 3S. Let's open it up. Try not to cut myself again. Micro SD, just some 128s. Can you feel the excitement that I'm having right now? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's without further ado, let's get the cellophane off. I'm not gonna do the whole unboxing thing. Y'all have seen so many of these unboxing videos. It's unreal. But oh gosh, I'm like a kid at a candy store. All right, let's see. Let's figure this out. Oh yeah. Oh, yes. Well, this thing does feel sturdy. Here we go. Oh, yeah. So, anyone ever wants to know what $1,500 looks like? That's what it looks like. At least get that going. Anyway, that's all I'm gonna do for the day. Next videos you'll see will be from this guy. And yeah, we'll just see how much better it is. I hope it's better. Thank you all. Above and beyond adventures, up in my game. I'm so happy. Anyway, see y'all.